In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Wallet's leaderboard on Axiom. Now, first you'll need an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free on here, such as an amazing wallet tracker and top-notch Twitter tracker. They also have pulse trackers and P&L trackers. They have a great top-tier reward system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills and quicker transactions. You can also set your own presets for either buy or sell settings and set your own slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can also set their amazing filters they have over here, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to see the wallet's leaderboards on Axiom, you can basically do this with the new Vision update. And you want to go to the Vision tab up here. And then after you are in here, you want to click on your wallets over here. Now for me, I don't have any currently active wallets on this account, so nothing is going to show. But of course, when you have your wallets and when you're using multiple wallets, it's going to show how your wallets are doing in here. You can also sort that by PNL USD or PNL Solana, and then by all these things listed over here. You can also sort by descending or ascending with the click of this button over here. And then you can also basically search within your wallet. So you can search for a specific wallet in case you're using like many tens of wallets, and you can sort by different time periods from 1 day all the way up to 3, 7, 14, and 30 days. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.